Gagatia, Hadida, Hardenostan.
Hawa.
Janug de Hindoka, Tinagalan.
Hawa.
No, Hagasquoja.
Hawa. Gisquada.
Jayosis,
Unetisti agiosi.
Hawa, Inostaha.
Osiyo. Today we learned Cherokee words about getting up and getting ready. Let's go over them together. We are going to start by practicing what are you doing? Gadohodane. Ga do ha da ne. Gadohodane. What are you doing? Now let's practice the command. Get up. Hadida. Ha di da. Hadida. Get up. The final word we are going to review together is brush your teeth. This is also a command. De hindoka tinagala. De hin na do ka ti na ga la. De hindoka tinagala. Brush your teeth. Oh, stop! Don't forget to practice these words and use them with your family and friends.